Registered mining pool. After completing registration, click on the top right corner and select ETC. Scroll down and find the pool URL. Open a new page and sign up for an exchange or wallet. Once your registration is complete, click Deposit. Select Network ETC. Find your own ETC address. Download the software and set up. Note, all the following operations please ensure that the computer and the machine are under the same network. Enter the official website. Click Support. Select Product Installation Guide and Firmware. Click Firmware. Click Other. Click Download. Install after downloading. Click to still run if security prompts appear. Open the installed firmware. Click Generation. Click Start Scanning. After the scan is complete, all devices on the same network are displayed. Return to the mining pool. Paste the pool URL at the pools. Open Exchange or Wallet. Copy ETC address and paste in the wallet account. Select Currency, ETC. Select Frequency. Click Management. Saving configuration. Back to the main interface. Select the or machine to be configured. Click Configuration. The configuration time is about 2 minutes. Please be patient. When the machine blinks green, the configuration is successful. After the configuration is successful, click Send Scanning. The machine can show its hash rate after running for 30 minutes. On the miner list, right-click and click Management System. Enter the background to check the machine running status. All the configuration has been completed. If you have any problems in the process of use, please feel free to contact us.